Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your charts of the day. Want to share two ways that you can bet against this market by going long a stock. Now, for me personally, I don't like shorting as in, short selling. It feels wrong. I feel like I'm betting against America, and I don't want to do that. So I like to maintain my strategy of buying stocks for the long side, but even doing it when I know it's betting against the market going down. And so there's two ways that you can do that with a little extra juice. That's the SDS Pro Shares Ultra Short S&P 500 ETF here. And so what you can do is essentially trade it like you would going long. So you're buying it because you think this is going up, and obviously that means that the market is going down. You can see how the S&P 500 is just kind of sitting on this little ledge here. And so what I want to see from SDS is obviously a higher high through resistance. Now, one thing that can happen is that you can kind of get clipped a little bit because, sometimes this will go up, and obviously that means the market's going down. And then what'll happen is you get a day like yesterday where it kind of breaks above the previous day's high and then gets rejected, and maybe get taken out if you're trying to buy this breakout here. And so I like this stuff only for day trades because anything can happen overnight. You can get news overnight. You can get higher opens in the market, and obviously that would mean a lower open here on SDS. So this, in my opinion, is something you want to do if you want to bet against the market, essentially by going long something and doing it for a short-term time frame. So SDS is one that I always talk about over at StockMarketMentor.com, and QID is another one. This is the pro shorts of the triple Qs. And so again, same kind of setup. You want to see a break above this clearly defined level of resistance. So that's just some ideas to go long while going short in this market. If you want to see what else we're looking at, give us a follow at Stock Market Mentor. And check us out for a free trial. Click the link below, www.stockmarketmentor.com. We'll see you next time.